Hey guys, welcome to Planet Marcus. For this episode, I wanted to change things up a bit. So I always wanted to try a cooking show, and I finally got the chance to do it with this episode, and it was a lot of fun. So go ahead and take a look at what we came up with, and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Enjoy!
Control, stand by. We're live on set in 3, 2.
Hello, and welcome to World of Flavors with me, Marcus. And boy, do I have a treat for you today. I'm gonna make a simple pizza grilled cheese sandwich. And this dish is not only delicious, it's also very easy to make. But if you're a kid, you will need an adult to help you with the cooking part. So let's get started. First, I'll tell you what you'll need. Some butter, pizza sauce, mozzarella, parmesan, basil leaves, pepperoni, and crushed red pepper flakes. And we'll also need sliced bread. The first thing we're going to do is butter a slice of bread. And we'll turn this upside down. Now we'll start adding ingredients, and we'll start with pizza sauce. And we want to get this nice and even. Cover the whole surface. Next, we'll add some mozzarella. Make sure you get it nice and even. This is gonna be very delicious. Next, we're gonna put on some pepperoni. 4 should be enough. Now we're gonna add some parmesan. And just like before, you want to cover the entire area. Next, we're going to grab 2 basil leaves. Here we go. And just like at the beginning, we're gonna put a slice of bread down and butter it. Now it's time to put this on the griddle or frying pan, which has been preheating. Since this involves heat, I'm gonna get my mom to help. Now I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the final toppings, which are pizza sauce, next is mozzarella, some Parmesan. Next, we're gonna add some pepperoni. Now all that's left to do is to put it in the oven to broil for 2 minutes. So now we're all done, and I'm gonna get this all laid out for you. At this point, we can add the red pepper flakes. Now this can be served with anything you want, but I like it with chicken wings, celery sticks, blue cheese dip, and soda, of course, because I love soda. And there you have it. Isn't that beautiful? I'm drooling right now. So this is great for an early dinner, and as I said before, it's also very easy to make. I'm only 6 and I can do it, so I'm sure it would be easy for you too. And that's it. We're all done. I hope you enjoyed World of Flavors, and until next time, may all your kitchen adventures be as fun as mine was. See you later, guys. Bye now.
What level are you in Dragon Thing? Dragon City?
15. Well, I think that went as well as can be expected, and it was a really cool experience. I enjoyed it, and I do hope you try making pizza grilled cheese for yourself. Trust me, it's delicious. It may even end up being one of your favorites. If you decide to try it, good luck, and let me know how it turned out. Now, for some reason, I'm very hungry right now, so I'm gonna go grab a snack. Thank you for watching this episode of Planet Marcus. If you liked it and you're not yet a subscriber, please click the button and ring the bell to subscribe. I'd really appreciate your support. Thanks again, and watch out for my next video coming soon. Bye, guys!